Good morning. Weather on the ones. It is 5:21 on this Wednesday morning. It's very mild. The wind is not blowing yet either, so it feels really pretty nice outside. 48 degrees at overhead door near Powers and Galley. You see the calm wind there, which you can't see are the sky conditions yet, being that it's pretty dark. But we do have a few high clouds floating around, and hopefully we'll end up with a pretty sunrise as a result of that. And that's something we'll be tracking for you through the morning. 42 degrees at Parkview Medical Center in Pueblo. Light breeze. It's less than 10 miles an hour at last check, so nothing to worry about. 41 degrees in Los Animas. It's a little tough to pick out the light out there on the eastern horizon. Maybe there's just a little bit of it, but overall doesn't look too bad. Skycast shows through the day today we'll have an increase in clouds probably here along the front range. We don't expect they're going to be terribly thick. More than that, we're concerned about the wind in combination with the dry conditions and the warmth that we're going to have today, because we do believe we'll have fire conditions setting up this afternoon. Look for highs to reach the 70s and lower 80s across the eastern plains, 50s even up across the high country, with 60s to near 70 over the mountain valleys. Wind will probably be running between about 10 and 20 miles an hour this afternoon, with some gusts up as high as around 30. Skycast shows that through the night tonight we'll see an increase in clouds as well. We may continue to be breezy at times tonight. It won't be as windy as it will be this afternoon, but the next cold front should be moving in by about 4 o'clock tomorrow morning, and so you see a little bit of cloud cover banked up on the mountains. And we do think that temperatures tomorrow will be down some over today's values, probably as much as about 10 degrees or so. Still doesn't look like a bad day tomorrow. Afternoon clouds could result in a couple of sprinkles over the mountains, but otherwise quiet. We'll keep the weather conditions pretty nice here through at least Saturday. We'll have some periods of wind and some passing clouds, but we'll be in the 60s to around 70. Sunday is when the cold air comes in. That brings us a chance for some snow around Colorado Springs. We should clear that out early next week and begin to warm up. Monday still looks a little cool, but I think by Tuesday we'll get back into the 60s. Pueblo after 80s today, about 70 or so tomorrow, then mid-70s Friday and Saturday. So you get one real nice day this weekend, though it may be a bit windy. And then Sunday looks a lot colder with a chance for what would likely be a mixture of some rain and snow showers across the Pueblo area. Monday will be in the 50s. We'll get you back up into the 60s on Tuesday. Canyon City, lower 70s tomorrow, then mid-70s on Friday, around 70 on Saturday, and then a mixture of rain and snow showers in Fremont County on Sunday. Obviously, along the river, we would expect more rain, but on the mountains, it could be some snow. And speaking of snow, I think in Teller County, as we move into Sunday, there's a possibility we could pick up several inches of wet accumulating snow. It looks like that type of system is that time of year, so it's something we'll track closely over the next few days.
Okay, thanks, Marty.
You're welcome.